This took me 3 years to learn, working as a full-time professional photographer, and I'm gonna teach it to you in the next 3 minutes. This is the very fastest way to take photos in manual. So there's only 3 settings that control the exposure, which is the brightness or darkness of every photo. And those are shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Now on modern cameras, those 3 settings adjust in the same exact increments. Now this makes it very easy to take pictures in manual because when you're adjusting one setting, you can actually simply count the number of clicks that you adjust and make sure that you adjust your other setting or settings the same number of clicks. Let me show you what I mean with a really common example of something I would do on a real photo shoot. Okay, so right now I'm out here in the desert, and let's say I was taking photos of one person. So the settings I would use for that right now would be ISO 100, an aperture of f2.0, and a shutter speed of 1/8000th of a second. So that combination of settings is giving me proper exposure. But now let's say I switch to photographing a group of people. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust my aperture to f4.0, and as I do that, I'm going to count the number of clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now since I moved my aperture to f4.0, now I'm letting less light into my camera sensor. But since I counted the clicks, I can simply adjust another setting, the same number of clicks, which is 6, and I will get the same exact exposure with my different settings. So the setting that I'm going to adjust is my shutter speed, and I'm going to slow it down to let more light into the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now my camera settings are an aperture of f4.0, ISO 100, and a shutter speed of 1/2000th of a second. Now counting the clicks is much faster than trying to do some kind of mathematical equations of what your settings should be. So for me, this keeps me engaged with my clients. It keeps me leading and directing a photo shoot. And it also makes sure that I have the right camera settings. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you. If you're a photographer who loves photography and you want to actually make money with a camera, but you're having a hard time figuring out how to do that, my name is Brian Rupp. I've been a professional photographer for 19 years now. I'm at a place in my career where I'm supporting other photographers, mentoring them, and passing along everything I've learned in the last almost 2 decades. If you're interested in mentorship with me, send me a DM with the word inspired. Follow me for more tips on how to actually make money with your camera and how to make your very best photography work.